Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. This is JJ Moto and we are back for our part 2 unboxing video of the Mavic 2. Previously we unboxed the Mavic 2 Pro and now we will unbox the Mavic 2 Fly More kit, as you can see. Anyhow, if you haven't seen my Mavic 2 Pro unboxing video, I'll put the link above and then you can watch it, so you can watch the Fly More kit. The Fly More kit applies to the Mavic 2 Zoom as well. So there are two Mavic 2s. The one is the Pro version and the one is the Zoom version. I have the Pro version, but the Mavic 2 Fly More kit will work with both of the models. And as you can see, hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan as I promised. So I have never seen what's inside of this yet. And may plastic siya. In this video, I will be showing you also, I'll show you guys how to pack your DJI sa bag. Now, if you don't want the hard case, which is a bit bulky, you can always use the DJI bag itself. Tara, let's do the unboxing of the Fly More kit. How did it? Alright, let's open it up and see what's inside. So one thing that's very nice about the Mavic 2 Fly More kit is you can buy it standalone, unlike the previous Mavic where you have to buy the bundled version, the one with the Mavic plus Fly More combo, or you can buy the one without. Pero sa Mavic 2 na to, you can have the option to buy the Mavic 2 Fly More kit later on. Let's open it up. So first thing na makikita mo dito is the bag itself. So you don't have to fix anything. All you have to do is remove the bag from the box. As you can see. Ayan. This is the whole bag setup. Let's put the box to the side. And buksan na natin yung laman ng box. So, first impression again sa box is napakaliit nito, tignan. Really compact. You can have it over your shoulder kasi shoulder bag ata tawag dito. And then you can just, bring it everywhere. Kahit naka-motor ka lang o naka-bike. Very compact. Anyhow, so, ayan. Tanggalin muna natin yung laman ng box before natin kukunin si Mavic Pro at ilalagay lahat dito. Right guys, let's do it. Ganito lang. So, unang-una makikita mo is we have a bunch of boxes. Let's go through them one by one. Ito, walang label. So, let's check that later. And this one, it says the Mavic 2 Part 1 Fly More kit. Alam kung makikita niyo. There you go. Let's go over that later. So, immediately, nakikita mo agad yung battery sa ilalim. Okay, ito stuck under here. Parang snug fit sila. May foam na naka-divide both. So let's remove it. This is the first battery. And then, this is... oh. Sorry about natanggal yung stickers. So this is your third battery at tatlo kasi may isa na dun sa Mavic 2 natin. So 3 batteries, really enough para sa kahit anong project mo kasi pwede mo naman siya ilagay dun pwede mo siya i-charge along the road o kahit saan ka man. And there's really one thing that's very nice about these kasi papakita ko mamaya. You can use this as a power bank for your phone pag nalobat ka on the go. Let's say nasa bundok ka, walang charger, walang stuff. So ayan, let's check all the pockets. No, we have here a desiccant. Alright, let's put that away. No, akala mo, ano, parang hindi siya sturdy. But once you have it in your hands, it's really rigid. So I think just small bumps won't hurt your unit, your aircraft. So yung propellers, nasaan nga ba? The propellers are here. Kita siya? Nakalagay sila dito sa... So we have 4 propellers spare. Really useful. Wala na. We have one more desiccant. Side pockets. We have the tags. That is nice. And other side pocket. Wala na. We also have a front pocket. Siguro sa mga SD cards and stuff, which you won't be needing kasi. So the side packet, the tags shows you how to pack your... Most of the others don't know this. Pero if you look at this, makikita mo kung paano siya ipapack sa ilalim ng bag. Right, we have here a bunch of, I don't know. Okay, let's put it to the side. So, let's start with this box. Always have a knife by your side, very handy. Okay. So this is your shoulder strap. Install natin yan mamaya. And here we have the, I guess, the charger hub. You can charge at least 4 ata. Let's open it up. Paano nga ba? Yeah. Para ba to? There you go. So we can charge 4 batteries. 3 lang meron tayo. Kaya, how do we put this on? I think ganito. There. So ganito sila. So now we have opened the shoulder strap at yung charging hub. Also a bunch of props. Lagayan ng props. This time, dito tayo sa walang label na box. Just be careful with the knife not to break anything. Yes, I have... Tanggalin na lang natin. Ano nga ba naman? Okay, so we have, and I think, the car charger. Alright? Ito pala yung sinasabi ko na you can charge along the road. Parang may missing tayong item. So we have the ito yung car charger. Again, for the battery, hindi kasama yung remote because you can just charge the remote through a micro USB charger at nandyan naman yan sa sasakyan. And last but not the least, we have yung sinasabi kong pwede mong gawing power bank yung battery mo. So the batteries are not charged yet. So the way you do this is you put the adapter. Here's a closer look. So that's the adapter, and there are 2 USB ports para ilagay yung charger mo. And installing it's very easy actually. So all in all, yun lang yung kasama sa box. So again, we have 2 batteries. Let's put them para makita natin. We have the multi-battery charging hub. We've got 4 props, right hand and left hand pairs, the car charger unit and the adapter, at yung shoulder strap. Okay na ba? Okay, now let's pack it to the bag kasama yung aircraft natin. So ayan, let's put everything aside. The props is, huwag na natin ibalik dun sa lagayan niya. Let's just put the propellers straight dito. Yan. Okay, we can close that up and buksan natin later. Put the shoulder straps to the side. Charger, boxes, charging hub, adapter, and your pair of batteries. A bunch of stuff. And let's bring out the Mavic 2 sa labas ng kanyang box para di na siya nakalagay dun sa box. Ayan. Baliktad data. Sorry. So I think it's the other way around. Ta-da! So if you haven't seen the unboxing yet, unboxing of this aircraft, you can always check my channel, my other video, which is in the link below in the description. So ilabas natin the controller. Mga boxes. Siguro spare props. Maybe we can just keep them here. Charger. SD card adapter. So, as you have seen earlier, may nakalagay dito. So, alright. Dito siya. Pakita ko ulit sa inyo para makita nyo paano yung setup. Yan. So, kanina, the battery was... So let's put one battery sa ilalim. Yan. Okay. So now meron tayong compartment dito. So the battery will go here. Siguro dito. Or probably here. Controller will go here. Pero it's not fit. Actually, it's not fit talaga. So we'll go this way. Or you can switch the battery. Dito siya. So controller naman dito. Nope. You can do it on your own, pero I like to follow what's in the bag, the guide. So the Mavic Pro, you can put this on with the props. So siguro mas maganda pag nilagyan natin yung props na. So these are the props that came with the Mavic Pro. Hindi ko pa ginagamit yung spare kasi for emergency purposes. So install muna natin to. So ayan, we have the propellers set. This aircraft. Now we can put these. So the camera goes down this way, and it really is a snug fit. Sabi dun sa the other videos that I've been checking. So I wonder if the aircraft can go down, way down. Just hoping na walang magiging problems. And so I think this is as far as the aircraft can go. Medyo snug fit pala talaga, but if you want a hard case, you can always get one. For now, I might stick with these kasi I am a fan of how compact it is. So as you can see, we still have space left for our other stuff, such as the adapter. This can go here, and our SD card adapter again. You can try to put the charger, multi-battery charger here. Pwede pa. Yeah, I think. Check. Ayan. So, pwede pa. Right. What else can we put? So we are left with the car charger at yung outlet charger. We can put it both sides. I'll show it. So close muna natin to if kaya nga. So I will be putting this dito na lang kasi tatama siya dun sa aircraft. It really is a snug fit para dun sa... Siguro if we install it without the propeller, we'll have a peace of mind. Medyo. It doesn't have a lock, so it's just a Velcro, this part. And then we can put the charger to the side. Natin to. And we can also place the car charger on the kabilang side. So I like the way how the side pockets, because the garter here tends to close, kaya you won't have to worry about your charger falling down or falling out. Let's fix this one. Should have put. So this one medyo ganyan, but we can always do that. So now we have to put the shoulder strap, which is the last thing that we need to do. So if you were like me and just easy as clip, and we are good to go. So guys, everything is wrapped and I have set the things that I need for the bag. Really small, actually. It's a shoulder bag. If I were to stand up, ayan, pwede mo siya ilagay to the side. Very, very small. If you compare it to my hand, this is my hand. I have big hands, really. So anyways, I just love how compact the Mavic 2 is, and really nice. You have the Mavic 2 right there. So I hope you guys aren't weirded out by, because I have the camera set in front of me and my hands are basically above your screen while you're watching. So I think that's all I need. But now the third video for this Mavic video series is a test flight and a review. Sorry about the notifications, I just have a lot of notifications. Anyway, so my next video will be the test flight, and I will be doing a review because coming from a Phantom 3 myself, medyo it's a very big jump. Kasi the Mavic 2, the Phantom 3 doesn't have all the features that's in here. So anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get you notified for my next videos. So mga katropa ko, mga kamoto, this is a motorcycle channel and this video will be a huge help for my content sa future rides. But now we can't kasi pandemic pa, but I'll make sure to get you guys video and content you deserve. Punta na ako. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.